My name is Steve Kozak. I'm the Safety Chief Engineer for North America, the Ford Motor Company. And I'm the Safety Chief Engineer for North America, and I'm going to give you a little discussion on the new Edge platform. We're really proud, we're really excited about the fact that the new platform gives us some capabilities and safety that we've never had before. I'm going to take you over to the vehicle here. This is a unibody construction. That means that the frame is integrated into the sheet metal structure of the vehicle. And in most cases, that structure would take the front rail and run it into the rocker panel here, and that would be the main structural element of the underbody of the vehicle. In this particular vehicle, we've taken the frame of an SUV and integrated it into the underbody of a unibody vehicle. So this is a first in the industry. If I show you here in the reflection under the car, that front rail has a through rail design. It takes the front crush rail and takes it all the way to the back of the car. So this allows us to take and have much better energy management for both front impact and side impact, and it gives us an additional benefit of giving us an extra safety layer protection for the side impact. And this is really a critical feature of the underbody structure here. If you can see here, the distance between what the rocker panel and the occupant inside the vehicle is only about 8 inches. You've got 35 inches in front of the vehicle to crush when you're in the front impact, but in the side impact you've only got 8 inches, so you've got to do the most you can with those 8 inches. By having that through rail design, we have a backup structure. So the rocker panel takes all the energy. We have these additional crush members that are shown here. And you notice that they have notches and holes in them to allow those parts to collapse like an accordion, absorb the energy, and do the best job of protecting that occupant before contact. Now we also have the standard side airbag protection. This is a thorax protection in the seat, as well as a curtain airbag that protects both the first and second row. This is our third generation curtain airbag. It also is a rollover capable curtain airbag. The bag can stay inflated for over 6 seconds. That'll protect you in a multi-roll situation. And you notice that the curtain, as being our third generation, has a feature where it travels down below the belt line of the door, so it covers the entire door surface, and it has tethers at the front and rear, so it acts a bit like a safety net in that it can help contain the occupant in a rollover incident. Now, if you take the combination of the structure that we have with this new unibody construction, and we add to it some of the futuring that we've done in the product, this vehicle has and meets future roof strength requirements. You notice that this is the glass roof version, and we've designed this roof structure to be as strong with a glass roof as it is with the steel roof. At the forward end of the vehicle here, we've got a fairly innovative design for what we call compatibility. Okay, the market is obviously being filled with much smaller vehicles, what we call a B-size vehicle, and but yet the vehicle still has the bumper height of an SUV. It has very good ground clearance. So in order to allow us to have a load path where we can get the structure of the smaller vehicles to engage, and you can have a more balanced crash when a large truck, large CUV hits a small vehicle, we have a secondary bumper here. This is our patented design. It allows us to it's a catcher design. It has a crush can in here that actually helps absorb the energy and spread that energy and help enhance that compatibility with the small vehicle. We have 2 load paths in here that take the load from that impact. One load through the chassis components, in this case the subframe, and the other through the traditional frame rail. And then we take this down into these 3 members now can spread that load out as it's from the frontal impact, and that keeps the floorboard area intact so that the occupant in the front seat has their lower leg area protected.
Steve, thank you very much.
Okay, very good.